Hi Lisa, I thought I'd video something for you rather than tell you because it's easier to explain in the video. So what we do, because the wok does have that sort of shaped base, uh, if you put the water feature right in the middle, it could be fine, but you find the water falls right near the side, which you might not want, so because it sits further to the front. So you push it back if you change the height of the base. We use mesh when we go to shows, and we just support that with something underneath it, like a cut flower pot, like that. But the mesh is fine. You'd want to paint that though, because that will rust over time, because that's just galvanized steel, and it will rust. So you could spray paint it and you could secure that like that. But there's another way, much probably simpler way. If you have some spare bricks lying around, you can put bricks underneath and then some decorative stone to fill on top of that. That way you'll get a nice looking base. It's also good for the splosh product that I said that keeps the algae away. The more surface area in the pond, the better that works, because the bacteria live on the surface of things in the pond. So that improves that. The base of the water feature is concrete. You can see like that. It's nice and secure. It's got a heavy base that gets attached to the pump like that. In the case of, we use this as a tap to regulate the water. You won't need that part. You'll go straight from the pump here, straight into the pond, straight into the water feature rather, and then it'll just recirculate that same water. Yeah, so then once you've got the level you want, which is about there, you'll get a much broader area to put things in. So you can decorate it with some plants, like so, and it'll look much nicer. It'll naturalise the whole piece and fill in that area where the flower heads are here. So obviously this is a different piece, but the flower heads are here, and there's a bit of an empty space here that fills nicely with the plants. So I would really recommend doing that.